In this video, we will demonstrate how to create questions in MeMo. To do this, first we have to navigate to the Questions section by clicking on this button. Here in the Questions section, we can observe that we have two panels. On the left, there is the Question List panel, where all the questions created by the user will appear. In this case, this user has not yet created any questions, so the list is blank. However, as the user creates questions, they will be added to this panel. On the right, there is the Question Creation panel. Let's proceed to create a question. The first thing to do when creating a question is to select the type of question. MeMo has three main types of questions: text, select one, and information. The text questions are open questions where the respondent can write their answer freely. To create this type of question, select the type text. Enter the question ID, which is an identifier for the database. Then, enter the short name, which is a reference to identify the question on the interface. Next, write the question to ask. Additionally, we can attach an image or an audio to the question. Both files are optional. In this case, I'm gonna add both. Once you have entered all the information, click on Save. You can see the question is now added to the left panel, the question list. The name that appears here is the short name we assigned to the question. We can click on Preview to see how this question will look in a chat. Also, we can click on Edit if we want to make any changes to the question. Now, let's create a Select One question. To create a new question, click on the Create New Question button. The Select One questions are questions in which a series of options are presented, and the survey respondent must choose one of them. Select the type Select One, then fill in the requested information. Below, there is a section to add options. Input the first option. Then, to add more options, click on this button. You can continue adding as many options as desired. To remove an option, click on this button. Once you have entered the desired options and all the information, click on Save. And now, let's proceed with an information type question. Information type questions consist of a message that is delivered to the survey participants without the intention of getting back a response. It can be used to provide information to the person about the service topic as the final message of the survey, or in general, just to provide some information. The information requested is the same as for a text type question. Once entered all the requested information, click on Save. With this, we have covered the topic of how to create questions in MeMo.